This is Pete Mattaliano, and today we'll review conducting an independent t-test using SPSS. For this test, we'll be exploring the given scenario. The Commissioner of Baseball would like to confirm that there is no discrepancy in salary between the mean of each league, the National League and the American League. In this case, the null hypothesis would be that the salaries of players are equal. The alternate hypothesis would be that the salaries were not equal. So to begin, we have a file. In this case, it is in Microsoft Excel. The file is set up with the following information: names of the players, their salary, the teams they play for. In this case, to have a small sampling, we're just using first baseman. And in terms of the data in the table, the league represents National League and American League with ones and zeros. So the first step will be to import this information into SPSS. File, open, data. Select the correct file type. Because it's a CSV file, there might need to be some formatting. In this case, we're just going to tell it that there are titles at the top of the document, and we will continue through until all of the information imports correctly. Okay, so as you can see, we have the salaries listed under team. The league is listed under the column heading V7. We could change all of this in the variable view, but in order to get the analysis, we'll just go through with it just like this. So we will now go to Analyze, Compare Means, and again, for this we are doing an independent sample t-test. Now, the test variable will be the column that we want to find out the means for. So in this case, we'll put team. And for the grouping variable, it'll actually be the V7 column, which represents the National League and the American League. The question marks tell you that SPSS is not able to run this file without more information. So in this case, you're going to define the groups. And for us, group 1 is the 1, group 2 is the 0, and we will hit continue. Now here is all the information you need right here. So your means are present in the group statistics, the standard deviations, and then if you come down here, the first box tells you the F values, the T values, the degrees of freedom, and here is the information for the t-test. So again, if the information shown here is below 0.05, you reject the null hypothesis. In this case, it's far greater than the 0.05 threshold, which tells us that there is no significant difference in the means of the two samples for variance. And that is how you use SPSS to conduct your t-test.